I recommend HeatBounce to anyone who uses heat, period. Heat damage is something that none of us can get away from. It's something that could take our hair from 100% health to a terrible state. To have that extra layer of protection in the HeatBounce is amazing.
It's important to protect your hair all the way to the core. All the way where the heat damage is, that's where the heat protection goes. Maintaining that integrity and that vibrancy of that color and setting your client up to have the best hair of their life.
What I love most about the HeatBounce is the conditioning aspect of it. I love how it works as a leave-in. It also works to detangle the hair and prepare the hair for heat services.
The HeatBounce is very universal. It can be used on every type of hair and texture.
It's important to use the K18 repair service. It gives you that opportunity to go in and repair that hair. It gets all of the important properties in order before having that extra layer of protection. I like to use HeatBounce starting on damp hair. And then once I'm at 100% dryness, I apply the HeatBounce again. That's really where that shine comes in and that smoothness comes in.
With HeatBounce, you get 85% less breakage after blow drying the hair. This makes us look good as hairstylists, and this keeps our clients happy coming back for more transformations. It's the trust. It's all in the trust, guys. That's what makes us hairstylists big parts of people's lives.
In using HeatBounce in my service, there's so much moisture retention in the hair. It really locks in that shine, and I noticed that my client's hair feels extremely soft. It's a great feeling sending them home because they know they have that extra layer of protection and their hair is not compromised when using high heat in their services.
Go ahead.
Turn on the heat.